Hey, it's Adam from Tentworld Tweed Heads again. Now this is another one of the new DuraLite chairs from OZtrail. Now as mentioned earlier, if you haven't seen it, these are made out of a magnesium alloy, which is up to 33% lighter and stronger than the traditional aluminium alloys. So you get that nice durability, strength and lightweight all in one nice potent package. Now this is the DuraLite Quad Chair. So this is the lightest full-size chair they do in their range. It's 2.9 kilos and that one's still got the same 420 soft touch ripstop polyester fabric on there, a mesh cup holder, and it's got this unique vertical stabilising leg here to give it even more stability. Now being a quality product from OZtrail, this one does actually come with a zippered carry bag, so no more fighting with the drawstrings, and it's a really nice comfortable chair to take anywhere and being strong and lightweight all at the same time. You'll find this chair in store at all of our great locations and also online at allthews.tentworld.com.au.